There's nothing quite like adventuring in an RV with your family. If you're flat towing a car, then legally you have to have a breakaway system for your towed vehicle in case of a catastrophic hitch failure. The hardest part of installing a breakaway system is going through the firewall of your vehicle's crowded engine compartment. That's why we created the Breakaway Wireless Adapter for RVibrake3 to simplify your breakaway installation and to help you get on the road a step faster. Breakaway Wireless Adapter eliminates the fight with your firewall with wireless connectivity to RVibrake3 right from your towed vehicle's battery. This saves you time and difficult yoga positions under your steering wheel and hood. Now you can shave 30 minutes and a lot of frustration on your breakaway installation. Breakaway Wireless Adapter is installed only 3 to 6 feet from your RVibrake3, giving you a constant wireless link between the two that is always ready for a possible emergency. You will get instant feedback of performance from the multicolored LEDs on Breakaway Wireless Adapter or in your motorhome right on the RVI Command Center tablet, which comes with RVibrake3. You no longer need to plug the Breakaway into RVibrake3 every time you set it up to travel. The first time you plug it in is the last. You can relax as it automatically connects to your RVibrake3 for every trip. It's just like magic. Designed and manufactured in Colorado, you're going to love Breakaway Wireless Adapter for RVibrake3.